Hi! In this tutorial video, we'll learn how to create a conversion campaign, which is the dynamic product ad. Kick things off by selecting the campaign section in Akko Marketing. Tap on Create Campaign to start building a new campaign that drives traffic and boosts sales for your store. Choose Dynamic Product Ad under Conversion to automatically retarget shoppers with the products they viewed. Be sure to choose the broader targeting. Hit Start Editing Campaign to customize your retargeting ad. Let's now set up your basic ad settings. Start by setting up your daily budget and product catalog. Before setting up your product catalog, let's learn the difference between a product catalog and a product set. Click Create Catalog. Simply choose a Shopify collection. Let's now learn how to customize your product set. A product set is a filtered group of products within your Shopify catalog used for targeting or campaign segmentation. You can view your product set here. Here's what you will see if you choose to view your product set. If you want to create a product set, click this button. Here you can customize your product by including or excluding a certain product. Here's where you can customize your target audience, which includes the age, location, gender, and ad placement. Keep in mind that for Taiwan region, merchants need to include their business ID number. This step is required by the government. Now let's learn how to customize your ad creatives. There are two types of ads: carousel or collection. You need to upload product images or select them from your catalog. Then customize the ad copy, such as the headline, description, and CTA. Now let's learn how to customize dynamic product ad for advanced targeting. In this step, you can target people who have shown interest in your products or similar products, even if they haven't visited your website. This allows you to reach a broader audience and scale your campaign by increasing your budget. Now let's learn how to customize custom DPA. Custom dynamic product ads. Retargeting helps you show personalized ads to people based on what they've looked at or shown interest in. Instead of random ads, you can remind shoppers about products they liked or suggest similar items they might want. This makes your ads more helpful and can bring more people back to buy. After clicking Choose, you can simply use a saved audience. Or if you haven't created one, simply click Create Audience and choose Products Engagers. Then you can set up the audience rules. Start by giving your audience a name. Next, select the targeting catalog that matches your store's product catalog. Then choose a product set and define your audience with rules.
Let's now review and finalize your campaign.
Go to Campaigns. Click the Analytics icon to instantly reveal in-depth performance data for your chosen campaign. Use the campaign overview to check impressions, click-through rates, and conversions.